little bit of a backstory for the scene. In a sleepy little town, there have been strange disappearances going on for a few years now. They all seem to happen in October, with more incidents occurring closer to Halloween. Of all the missing people, there is one trait that links them all together. Every single one of them visited the diner. One noteworthy thing about the diner is the menu. If you have a glance, you will notice some rather unique items. For example, try our famous hamburgers, or try our terrorate eyeballs. So, now that you've heard a little bit of the story about the village and the town that you're going to visit, you need to look for clues and answers along the trail. There'll be a paragraph on each clue piece you find, and a letter with a blood splatter around it. Make a note of this. There'll also be a green letter. Write these down as they spell out the name of the film. And finally, there's the name of a horror movie icon in each piece. Look and explore your surroundings to find all 13 parts of the puzzle. And then you have your clue sheet here. Bear in mind that not all of the clues may be in order for where you come across things in the scenes and the rooms. So keep reading through the clues and looking at sort of things around the scene.
Oh boy.
Yes.
You said about green letters.
Yes. An anagram. The letters in the blood splatter coordinate with the paragraph that is written on the clue card that you'll find. If you find all 13 of them, there is a master sheet that you can uncover the letters of the clues you've found, so you can read the entire story of what you've found. So you have a sheet of paper here to write all of your clues and answers on.
I would suggest that you have 2 columns, one for blood,
Yeah,
one on one for
yeah, and also for your horror movie icons.
green.
So,
I've not got a pen.
no,
I was refreshing my eyes.
there's
Very different.
a pen there, so I'll leave that there for the moment.